GoaCan ह्या संघटनेन सैमातल्या बेब्यांक राखून दवरपा विशीं जागृताय निर्माण करपा खातीर मडगांवच्या म्युनिसिपल गार्डना कडेन सेव्ह द फ्रॉग डे मनयलो। सैमातले बेबे हे सैमीक अन्न साखळेंतलो एक अविभाज्य भाग। तशेंच बेबे जळारी पासत पसरिल्ल्या दुयेंसांक लेगीत कमी करपाक मदत करता, देखून तांची राखण करप गरजेचें अशें GoaCan संघटनेचो संयोजक रोलांड मार्टिन हाणें सांगलें। तशेंच बेब्यांचें संरक्षण करपा खातीर मोहीम राबयतले अशेंय ताणें सांगलें।
GoaCan has conducted this awareness action in Margaon with a focus of bringing attention to the extinction of the frog, which is so much important for our ecological cycle, the food chain in Goa. Every year on the last Saturday of April, we observe the Save the Frog campaign. The Save the Frog campaign this year is focusing also on the importance of the frog in the fight against vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue particularly. Therefore, we are appealing to consumers to dissuade the killing of frogs, to support the breeding of frogs, and to take a decision in the village panchayats that in the next election, all the candidates should be asked to support this campaign, because the United Nations has launched the decade of ecological restoration. So as we can bring frogs back into the picture, we will be able to address the health issues that are there in Goa, also the ecological issues.